My daughter's been begging for one of these wearable hoodies for a couple of weeks, ever since my wife got one. So finally went ahead and got her one. Really nice blue, mix of bright blue, and I'm not great with colors. It's almost purpley to me, but blue. It has really cool pockets. So down here it's got like a hoodie pocket, as well as like a snap pouch right here. Super soft on the inside. It also has a really nice hood that all her hair can fit in. And then it also has a button up there so you can button your face up and be a little warmer. So just a quick look at how it fits. You know, I don't know, I think this is, I don't actually know what size we got, if it's a kid size, but you can see how it fits my 9-year-old. It's definitely really big. You can see she lets her arms down, like the sleeves, you can tell there's a lot of extra loose materials, but they have this stretch wrist elastic wrist material that actually keeps it up on her hands. Even though she has really small hands and wrists, it still keeps it up. So, I mean, like I said, it's really soft, it looks really good, and I think overall it just feels really nice, and I think it's gonna keep her really warm, and I like it.